India is the world's fastest growing major economy. With our history dating back to the advent of civilization, we are the world's most populous, culturally rich and diverse nation. Our national capital, New Delhi, is a brilliant amalgamation of over 3,000 years old heritage and ultra-modern, world-class smart infrastructure. Home to several historical and cultural monuments, the city also boasts of high-end luxury hotels, bespoke shopping hubs, scrumptious culinary experiences and an unparalleled legacy of arts and literature. The Department of Administrative Reforms and Public Grievances, Government of India, proudly invites you all to New Delhi for IIAS DARPG 2025 conference, where we deem it to be our pleasure to host global minds of public policy and public administration. The conference is proposed to be scheduled from 10th to the 14th of February 2025 at the prestigious Bharat Mandapam, India's largest convention space, equivalent to the size of 26 football fields put together. This architectural marvel was also chosen to host the prestigious G20 Summit 2023, which was attended by the top world leaders, and it gave them all a unique and memorable experience. Located near Indira Gandhi International Airport, with excellent road connectivity and proximity to 5-star as well as boutique hotels, the Bharat Mandapam provides luxury, flexibility, safety, logistical ease and multi-cuisine food and beverage options, all in one place. Featuring 7 monumental exhibition halls and a grand open-air amphitheatre, the Bharat Mandapam also includes majestic multi-purpose hall and plenary hall, which have a combined capacity larger than the seating capacity of the famous Sydney Opera House. The plenary hall easily accommodates 600 plus audiences. To facilitate multiple productive sessions, 11 boardrooms with varying capacity have already been reserved for the conference along with the exhibition space. A visit to the world-famous Taj Mahal is also being proposed during the event. The Taj Mahal is just 3-hour drive from the venue. The 5-day conference is expected to be attended by over 600 participants in person and many more in virtual mode. We are encouraging a significant participation from students and the research community, and also from the South Asian and SAARC countries. As believers of Atithi Devo Bhava, we are sure that the IIAS DARPG 2025 conference will add a glorious chapter to the tradition of annual IIAS conferences. India is looking forward to welcome you. See you in New Delhi. A film by DARPG.